Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Giselle. So today I have a review for you guys. We're going to be trying out the new Karrueche and Colourpop line. So they did a collaboration a while back, and this is their new collaboration called Brown Sugar. So in this collab you get a nice palette, and this palette has 9 shades, yeah. And this palette has 9 shades. You also get 4 lipsticks. Where's my other one? So you actually do get 4 lipsticks, and after doing research I found that out, and I haven't found my 4th one yet, but it is somewhere. So you do get 4, not 3. But I'm just gonna show you 3 because I don't know where my 4th one is. 3 lipsticks. You get a liquid lipstick and you get a gloss, and then you get some of their, I think these are new, I've never seen Colourpop with these little cream eyeshadows. Yeah, Crème Gel Colours is what they're called. It's different from their eyeshadows because it comes in like a little pot, and we'll be trying out a couple of those. So if you want to see the look that we come out with, please stay tuned. And I'm also testing out a new foundation that will be coming up next week, so make sure you guys subscribe so you can see what foundation we are testing out. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, I've already done my base. I have my eye primer on. No, I do not. I just lied. So of course, oldie but a goodie eyeshadow primer is the Urban Decay, what is this called? Urban Decay primer. Do not use anything else. I have not found anything else that is any better. So we're gonna go ahead, stick with what you know until you can find something better. But I really don't think there's anything better than this eyeshadow primer. If you guys are some long-time subscribers, you know that I live and breathe this eyeshadow primer because my eyelids are very oily and my eyeshadow would crease if I did not have anything like this on. So I wanted to keep it real simple, so I'm only going to be using 3 brushes. First is this flat brush. This is the e.l.f. eyeshadow shader brush. Next is a BH Cosmetics fluffy brush. It came in a set of 14. I've had this forever. And then a bigger, fluffier brush is the M441 brush. So keeping it simple, only 3 brushes to create some kind of look with this eyeshadow palette. So this palette comes with 6 mattes and 3 shimmers, which I really love. I like a palette that has more mattes than shimmers because you can create different looks with the mattes than having a full palette of 6 mattes and 6 shimmers and 3 mattes or something like that. I like more mattes than shimmers because you can create more looks. So we're going to go ahead and let's go with Amber. And Amber, let me not blind you guys. Amber is this little reddish orange color. You guys know I'm terrible in describing colors. Let me bring you guys a little closer. How's that? That's good. That's good. Okay, so we're gonna go in with that. I love this mirror in here. This mirror fits my whole face. I like a mirror where I can see my entire face in. That way when I'm traveling, packing different things, I don't have to think about, okay, how I'm gonna see my face. This is nice and small to travel with, and the mirror on here is great, so I can use it for everything else besides doing my eyeshadows. Next, I think I want to maybe build up the crease, and Sorrel, we're gonna go into this color right here. I think it's called Sorrel. With that same brush, You don't have to have 50,000 brushes for eyeshadow looks. I like mixing my brushes. Okay, that's layering very nicely. And if you guys are interested, there's just the tiniest bit of fallout. I mean, it's really, really tiny, but I mean, I really don't care about fallout. I know there is a whole fallout epidemic here on YouTube, but just in case you're interested, there's that information for you. I can easily see this being one of my go-to palettes, especially when I'm traveling, because it just has these basic eyeshadows, but I can create so many looks. I can do day looks, smoky looks, anything that I want. So with the Morphe M441 brush, I just like to, it's clean, and I just like to use it as like an all over blending brush, just so everything is blended out. My BH Cosmetics is like my main blending brush to blend and apply colors, and this is just to blend everything out. When I see people using like 5 million different brushes to create eyeshadow looks, I'm like, why? Why? We don't have those brushes. Can't you just do like an eyeshadow look with 3 or 4 brushes? Why do you have 50 million brushes? So this is me in my normal life. I don't like to use a lot of brushes, because then you have to clean those brushes, and I'm lazy. So let's move on to the little pots. So like I said, you get 3 colors. The first color is this color called Stew, and this is, it looks just like a chocolatey brown color. See if I can give you guys a quick little swatch. Oh yeah, so it's just this chocolatey brown color. So this is Stew. This will be a good base, like if you're wanting to do like a smoky brown look, this will be a good base. Or you can use that as like a cream eyeshadow, a cream eyeliner, and that would be much softer than using like a black. Oh, my nails won't let me be great. Okay, so the next color is Rum. And what is Rum? All right. Oh man, Rum came a little damaged. So Rum looks like a copper brown. So this is what Rum looks like. So let's go ahead and swatch Rum under Stew. Okay, so Rum is like a shimmery copper brown. That was a terrible swatch. So you guys can see, there's a little flex. It's just like a dark shimmer, a dark brown shimmer. So there's Rum. And for my favorite, I've kind of been using the next color kind of a lot. So my favorite is Nut, and this is just your regular shimmery gold that is probably not very new, but it's so pretty. So here's just a finger swatch of that, and then here's the regular swatch. It's just look, and that is so pretty, and that's what we're gonna be using on our lids. So we're gonna go ahead, and I'm just gonna take my finger and just apply this all over my lid, and I'm not being too precise. I'm just gently patting. Oh. Jesus, take me down. Look how pretty that is. Like, what? Definitely, if you already have something like this in your collection, it's, you know, you don't have to get it, but I don't have anything like this already, so I just had to get it. And it's gorgeous. It's so creamy, so easy to apply. And it's beautiful, so like, why not? Why is it so beautiful? Like, why? Karrueche gonna have me out here catching my husband all over again, cause this beat face. Okay, so I'm trying to take this off. It is very hard to get off with my makeup wipes, so there's that. So it should not move from your eye. Like, I'm gonna get red scrubbing this off. So where's my flat brush? We're gonna go in with my e.l.f. flat brush, and I want to take Auburn, and this is this color in the middle, and we're just gonna put that on the outside, or on the middle to outside of our eye. So pretty. I need to close my mouth. I'm sitting up here. And then we're gonna flip our brush over, because again, you know, remember, we're lazy. And we're gonna take ginger, and this is this color right here. And we're gonna take that and put it on the inner portions, just to mix those two shadows and blend them in together. And if you need to, just switch back and forth, just to really blend them in together. That is pretty. And then taking our BH Cosmetics brush with nothing on it, just to blend everything in together. Make sure there's no harsh lines. Okay. I'm not mad at it. All right. So let's go ahead and get into the lippies. These are the bullet lipsticks that they have. So the first color we're gonna go ahead and swatch is called Chocolate. Oh wait, Chocolatier, I'm sorry, Chocolatier. And Chocolatier is just this beautiful, just chocolatey brown color. If you know Karrueche, and if you saw her last collection, then she had the same kind of brown chocolate in her collection. I wish they would bring back her eyeliner or her lip liner, but you know. So it's just this beautiful chocolate brown. I mean, great for anything, anytime. Just my version of nude. Next we have Brick. Let's see, and Brick is another brown, but let's see how it matches up. Okay, so this is more like a pinky brown, where what is this? Chocolatier is more like a chocolate reddish brown. This is more, has like pinkish undertones in it, mauve undertones for lack of better words. You can really tell the difference in between the two. It's really pretty. This is really pretty. I really like that. Okay, so next we have Butter, and this is just a really light pale nude, and your girl is scared about this color because, I mean, okay Karrueche, like come on now, what is this? It's like a, yeah, it's like a pink nude, and I don't like pink nudes, so we'll see about that. Next we have the liquid lipsticks or there's only one liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Dumpling. Oh, I'm sorry, these are glosses. Whoops. So 2 glosses then. So this is in the color Butter. This is just a really, you know, nude gloss. And I'm still trying to figure out if I like Colourpop's glosses. Okay. Whoops, let me not pour it over. So that's cute. And then The next gloss we have is Dumpling, and this is just this really clear gloss that has a little flecks of glitter in it. At first when I tried out this gloss, because the tube, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to put it on now. I was really excited, and at first I didn't like it, but now I think it's cute. It's not too glittery. So you know how some lip glosses has like lots of chunks. Wow, that was a terrible swatch. See if I can try to do this again. So you know how some lip glosses have a lot of glitter in it. It doesn't have a lot. It's not a lot. So there we go. But I just love the sheen on this. It looks very nice. What lip combo do we want to do? Let's go in with Brick. Let's apply that. Just yes to everything. So, ooh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. And I think I want to try to layer the, what is this called? Blowzy lip gloss on top, just to see what she is, what she'll do. Oh, my lips look so juicy. So juicy. Oh, here's the final look. I am very impressed. I mean, oh, I got everything on. So here's the final look. I am very impressed with Colourpop. Of course, it's one of my favorite inexpensive brands. I really love the palette. Like I said, it's just gonna be this great travel palette. I mean, it's nice and compact. The packaging is cute. So the only things I'm really kind of iffy about are the two light lippies, that gloss and liquid, or the gloss and the bullet lipstick. So I will try to incorporate that somehow, because I did spend my money on it. This whole collection was $65 off of Colourpop's website, and I don't think that's bad, because you get 5 lip products, a palette, 3 base or cream eyeshadows for $65. I really don't think that's bad at all. We all know Colourpop is very affordable anyway. So if you guys like this look and how it turned out, comment down below. If you guys already have this palette, tell me your thoughts on it. Do you like it? What do you not like about it? Let's just talk down in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.